it's good we have a clean machine to help fix it.
You're right, Rubble. I can do this. Come on. Making it clean. That's the dream.
Lost in water, I know what you mean.
In a great way. The streets are clean.
Ooh, nice.
Thank you.
Grab it. Lift it. Move it.
2 points.
Here comes Charger with a trash slam dunk.
Yeah.
Rubble on the double.
Way to clean, pups. You picked up all that trash fast. The beach and town look great.
Thanks.
Ask your parents to subscribe to the Toymation YouTube channel.